Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine at home, no? Yes, we have completed poem 5, Open a Book. Okay, we have completed lesson 6 also. And we have done revision of poem 5 also. So I hope now you all have learned that poem. You all have completed your fair book also. Written everything in the book about poem 5. Okay students? So today we will learn words. Understood? Yes. Today we will learn words. Dictation it will be. Okay. What is the today? Dictation. See, I will show. Today we will learn words. That means dictation. So, what you have to do today? Take out your rough book and you have to write down. Yes, take your rough book and pencil so that you can write down. Okay, so what it will come? I will speak the word. See, I will speak the word, but I will not tell you the spelling of that word. Okay, understood? So what you have to do? You have to write spelling of that word. You have to write spelling of that word. Okay? You have to write in time limit. See? Time will come on the screen. And then correct spelling will be seen. Okay? Correct spelling of that word will be seen. So, are you ready for that? I will speak the word and you have to write the spelling of that word. Understood? Then time will come, and after time is finished, I will give you the spelling of that word. That spelling will appear on the screen. Okay? So are you ready? Yes. So best of luck to you all for correct spelling of that word. And now we will start. Okay? So write down number 1. Write down words number 1. Write down 1. In 1, write down open. I will speak only the word open. You have to write the spelling. Open. 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 All you are writing, no? Write fast. Yes, it is your dictation. You have to check it yourself only. Open. 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 Okay? See, now time will come. Open. 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 Yes, see the word I have come? Open. Now what is the spelling of open? O-P-E-N. Open. Yes, those who have written correct. Very good for them. Very good, those who have written. Those who are not written, learn the word. Okay children, number 1 you have written open. Number 1, open. Yes. Now see again I will start. Okay. So be ready for number 2. Yes, number 2. Number 2, book. Book. You know the word, no? Write the spelling. Book. Your time will come. Book. Write fast. Book. Book. Very good. Book. Those who have written, write fast. Listen and write carefully. Book. 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 You have to write. Number 2, book. Number 2, book. Book. Okay, now time will start. See? Book. Write fast. Book. Book. Okay, see the word will come. Book. Now see the spelling of book. B-O-O-K. Book. Very good, those who have written. Those who have not written, write down number 2. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Okay. B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. All have written? B-O-O-K. Very good. Number 2 is book. Yes. Number 2, book. If you are not written, copy down. Learn this word. Yes, write down number 3. Word number 3. I will speak. Write down number 3. Yes, in number 3 write find. 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 Write fast, then here the time will come. Okay? Find. Write fast. Find. Find. Very good. See, now time will start. Find. 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 Okay, now see, right spelling will come. Find. It is appearing here. See? If you are not finished, write down find. F-I-N-D. Find. Very good. Those who have written. F-I-N-D. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. Okay, children. Number 3. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. Very good, those who are writing. Find. F-I-N-D. Find. Yes. Most of them are writing, no? So, find. F-I-N-D. Find. Now see, other word will come. Write down number 4. Word number 4. Yes. Number 4. Write down number 4. Number 4, people. People. Spelling of people. You all know, no? You have read, learned. People. People. Write fast. People. Very good, those who are writing. Correct spelling. People. Number 4 is people. Very good. People. People. Write down the word people. Spelling of people. Here you have to write in the blank. Okay? See, now time will come. People. People. Yes, write fast. People. People. See, the word will come. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Okay, children. Very good, those who have written. Very good, those who have written. Right spelling of word people. Okay. Those who don't know, learn this word. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Okay, children. You have written number 4. People. Very good. Now write down number 5. Word number 5. Places. 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 Write fast. Spelling of places. Places. Very good. You are enjoying, no? To write. Places. Places. Yes, see, your time will come. Places. 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 Very good. Write down places. Places. Yes, see, now right spelling will come. Places. P-L-A-C-E-S. Places. Number 5. Places. P-L-A-C-E-S. C-E-S. See, read this word. Places. P-L-A-C-E-S. Places. Okay, children. Very good, those who have written. Number 5. Places. Places. Okay. Very good. So you all are writing, no? Those who don't know this word, write down from here. Places. Yes. Now, number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Write down number 6. Kind. 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 Your time will come, huh? Number 6. Kind. Very good. Those who are writing. kind, kind. Yes. Write fast. Kind, kind, kind. Okay. Now see here, time will come. Write fast. Kind, kind. Yes. Kind. Write the spelling fast. Kind, 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 kind. Spelling of kind. Kind. See, now it will appear here. Kind. See the spelling. K-I-N-D. Kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Yes, those are written. Very good. Right? Yes, correct spelling. Those are written, no? Correctly. Very good. Those who have not written, write down and learn this spelling. Kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Yes, all are writing. Kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Learn it. Okay. Kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Yes. Now number 7. Very good. Write down number 7. Word anything. Anything. Number 7. Anything. Right here the blank is given, no? Yes. In your book you have to write number 7 and then you have to write the word. Anything. 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 Very good. Anything. Anything. Number 7. Anything. Very good. Those are written. Number 7. Anything. See, now time will come. Write fast. Anything. Time have started. See, write fast. Anything. 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 Yes, write fast. Anything. 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 See, now correct word will come. Take. Okay. Anything. See, very good those who have learned and written. See the spelling. Anything. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Anything. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Anything. Anything. Those who are not written, write down from here. Those who have completed with and written correct spelling, very good. Very good. Those who have written correctly. The word anything. Learn it. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Anything. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Anything. Very good. Now number 8. Yes, write down number 8. Word number 8, write fast. Share. 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 In the poem it comes, no? I will share it to you. So, share. Share. Number 8, share. Very good, those who have written and completed the word share. Number 8, write down number 8, share. 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 Yes, write fast. Share. 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 Write the spelling of share. Very good, those who have written. Yes. Write. You don't have to speak. You have to write with good handwriting. Number 8. Number 8, the word is share. Share. Very good. Share. See, your time will come, okay? Share. Write fast. Share. 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 Okay, see now right spelling will come. Yes, share. See the word S-H-A-R-E. Share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Very good, those are completed. Return this correct word. Okay. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Those who have not written, write fast. Share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Very good, those who have completed and written correctly the word share. Very good. Okay, now which number will come? Yes, number 9. Word number 9. Listen carefully. Okay? Wondrous. Word is wondrous. 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 We have learned many times. Yes. Wondrous. Write down number 9. Wondrous. Very good. Those who are completed. Those who are slow, write fast. Spelling wondrous. Wondrous. Very good. Wondrous. Number 9. Wondrous. Number 9. Wondrous. Number 9. Wondrous. Write down number 9. Wondrous. Okay, children? Okay, now see your time will appear. Okay, yes, write fast. Those are not written. Wondrous, 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 wondrous. See your time will, spelling will come. Wondrous. W-O-N-D-E-R-O-U-S. Wondrous. W-O-N-D-E-R-O-U-S. Wondrous. Very good, those who have written correctly. Very good, those who have written correctly. Wondrous. Okay. Those are not written. Copy from here. Wondrous. W-O-N-D-E-R-O-U-S. Wondrous. Okay, students. Now, number 10. Listen carefully, number 10. It is very easy word. Okay. Words. 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 Wondrous words. So, number 10. Words. Write fast. Words. 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 Yes. Number 10 is words. Number 10, words. Write fast, number 10. Words. Number 10 number. Words. Write the spelling of words. Words. Yes. Number 10. Words. Words. Yes. Now see your time will come up. So write down fast. Number 10. Words. Words. Number 10. Words. Yes. Number 10. Words. See your time will start. Write fast. Words. 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 Write fast. Words. Words. See your correct spelling will come up. Words. C W O R L D S. Words. See, listen carefully. W O R L D S. Words. Very good. Those who have written correctly this word spelling. Okay. Those who have not written, write it fast. Yes, correctly. Words. W O R L D S. Words. We all have learned all these words in poem number 5. Open a book. So you must know this. Learn these words. Words. W O R L D S. Words. Okay, children. So have you enjoyed writing dictation words? Yes. So this way I will speak the word and you have to write the spelling. And then the spelling of that word will appear on your screen. Okay, children? So you enjoyed it? Yes, very good. So learn this well, these words, okay? Yes, very good. Okay, yes, all have done fine and good handwriting, okay? So very good and thank you.